Today I'm going to do a deadbolt. It requires a lot more technique and practice than a regular door lock. It's a lot harder. The technique I'm going to be using looks like this. It seems unprofessional, but it's actually a mix of raking, which is starting from the back and pulling to the front very rapidly. That's raking. It's also a mix of one pin picking, which is where you either start from the front and gradually move one pin back every time you feel the click, or you start from the back and gradually move to the front. So mine's a mix of the two. I wouldn't say that I made it up, but I find it a very good technique. Here is one pin on the inside of what a regular lock looks like. Now this is my tool. I'm not the best artist, but that's what my tool looks like. And I'm going to push up on the bottom pin, which is right there, and then I push it up until it lines up with the shear line, and when all of the pins are lined up, it will turn. Now, the technique I use sometimes pushes the pins too far up, and that means I have to release some of the pressure on the tension tool. Now, if I release all the pressure, all the pins will just fall back to normal, and I'll have to start over. But if I release just a little bit of pressure, only this pin will fall because it's got the most pressure on the spring. Each pin has its own spring pushing it down. What I hope for when I reach close to the end is that all the pins are lined up except one, and then I release a tiny bit of pressure, and that one falls back right to the position it should be in. Then all the pins are lined up and it's able to turn. Okay, I'm now going to get started. There we go. And the door is now open. Okay, I'm going to open this lock the wrong way on purpose to show you what happens and what to do. There we go. Now, watch as I spin, it will not open. If I spin it back to where it was in the beginning, the pins will drop and I'll have to start all over again. So instead I'm going to use my plug spinner to spin it so fast that the pins cannot drop, and it will open.